For centuries, tales have persisted of animals, dogs included, exhibiting strange behavior just before an earthquake strikes. While predicting seismic events remains beyond scientific grasp, researchers explore if canines sense subtle precursors undetectable to us. Their heightened senses might register faint ground vibrations, changes in atmospheric pressure, or even alterations in the Earth's magnetic field, long before the seismic waves reach human perception. This isn't prediction, but rather an acute awareness of initial, minute environmental shifts.